Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we will be talking about another common English mistake which people interchange it very frequently, and that is there and there. As you know, the pronunciation of both these letters sounds same. So before I begin today's session, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel if you are new to this channel, and we do release daily videos. And I know that we have not been regular in the last year, but we will definitely make sure that we will be regular, and we will be releasing daily videos every single day. So our channel is based on learning as well as fun and entertainment. So you would see a lot of um, informative videos as well as some English lessons, also some German lessons too in our channel in future. So please do subscribe if you are watching our channel for the first time, and if you would like to like us to create some specific topics related to English or German language, please feel free to please feel to comment, and we will be happy to make videos for you. So let's, before further ado, let's begin today's session. So there and there. So as I already informed you, these two letters, these two words sound very similar because of their pronunciation. The pronunciation of both these letters are same. One is pronounced as one is written as THERE, and another is written as THEIR. Although it sounds very same or sounds similar, these two have completely different meanings. And the reason why I'm making this video is because people actually interchange it in written English, since the pronunciation is the same. In spoken English, you will not be able to make out the difference, and also the difference in the meaning. However, in written English, many people interpreted it very differently. Instead of using THEIR, they will use THERE, and vice versa. A lot of times I have seen this, and many people have also asked me the meanings of it. So that's the reason I'm making this video for that. So THERE is basically location specific. I will meet you there, I will see you there, or I cannot be there at the same time, or both people cannot be there at the same time. So this is completely related to location specific. So that means wherever you will see anything related to a particular location, here or there, then you should be using this particular word. However, there is another term which is called THEIR, which is completely possessive pronoun. So that means this is their car, this is their property, this is their house, this is anything related to someone else. Now, here you have to understand before you understand THEIR, you will have to understand singular masculine and feminine. Sorry. So if you're talking about a male person and his property, that's you will actually talk, this is his property, this is his car, this is his house, and things like that. Same goes with whether when it is female, then you will have to actually use her, HER. This is her property, this is her house, and things like that. When you are using the same thing for plural or multiple people, doesn't matter masculine or feminine, then you actually will use there. So as you know, these terms usually come into possessive pronouns. Now, people tend to identify this as same because of the pronunciation, but as you would see, both have completely different meanings. It is not related at all. These two are nowhere related. I mean, the only similarity between two is the pronunciation. There, both are pronounced the same way. However, one is used for location specific, here, there, and one is used only when you are talking about someone else's property, and that is completely for multiple people. This is their house, this is their property, this is when it is their car, this probably you're talking about a particular family or multiple people. So that's where maybe in a parking lot you can see you see multiple people coming, and you don't know who they are. You can see this is their car. So for multiple people you will use this term. As I already informed you, these two terms are not similar. It's completely different. However, the pronunciation is the same. So hope you understood with this tiny English video here. If you have any comments or clarifications for this particular topic, please feel free to comment, and I will be happy to answer them for you. So I also have just put down some links which are simple English language materials which are available in Amazon or other places where you can actually buy or purchase the courses. However, there are the content is always available for free also. But just in case if you need to go through a certain course or a particular book, I will be recommending some books down there on the description. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you, and if you do like our videos, please do like and share our videos so that others can also benefit from our channel and our videos. And so thank you, and I will see you again on my next lesson.